Well, good morning, guys. It's going to be a beautiful day today. Headed back out. I just parked and walked down here to Marine Creek Lake on north side. I'm sorry, south side. Going to see if we can get in some bass this morning. Bobby should be showing up here probably, I don't know, maybe 15-20 minutes, I'm guessing, if not longer. Maybe I can get into a nice bass before he shows up and start stealing them. Here we go. Got one. On the lipless. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Well, good morning. First bass of the morning on the lipless, the Mini Klutch and Sexy Shad. Probably about 1.5 pounds. Let's get it back in the water. All right, thank you for playing. Well, all right. No skunk for today. Pressure is off. That bass was 1.5 pounds, and I got it on the Mini Klutch in Sexy Shad color. So let's see if we can get on some more and some bigger ones. No skunk for Davey today. I just need a big one to get on here. That's what I need. I need a 5+ pounder. I'd love to be able to finally make the 5-pound club. Bobby's a member of the 7-pound club. I can't even. Probably holler like a little girl if I caught a 7-pound. Hey, here we go. Another little one. On the lipless. Uh-oh, I'm sorry. Hold on, little buddy. Hold on, little buddy. Hey, chill out, man. I'll put you in the water. You know what, Mr. Flippy Flop? Mr. Flippy Flop. Look at that little one. Now tell me this guy here wasn't hungry. Look at this. Look at this. Tell me he wasn't hungry. Uh-oh. They done got me hung up. But thankfully, I'm barbless and it comes right out of my clothing. All right, let's get you back in the water there, little buddy. Thank you for playing. Whee! Now you can take off. It's number 2. Thank you, Lord. Number 2. Although it got smaller, I need to go the other way, Lord. I need to get faster. I mean, not faster, bigger. All right. Where you at? Oh my, don't even start with me, you knucklehead.
Okay, man, I'm super late this morning.
Okay. Do what?
Where you at?
The boat ramp? The ski ramp? I got 2 so far.
What are you buying?
Mini Klutch, which is the lipless, Sexy Shad.
Okay.
I ain't leaving here just yet. The only reason of course, the only reason I'm catching fish because you ain't here to catch it.
Maybe that'd have been the case, you know, back in June. Not anymore.
I know my fingertips are cold.
Yeah, it's weird. It's cold, but it's not cold outside, you know? I don't know.
Uh-oh, I got another one. Hold on. Oh, he looks, oh man, this thing's, oh, I think this is a spot. Hey, let me let you go.
Yeah.
All right, bye. Man, look at that. Pretty little thing. Oh boy, you got hooked good. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay. Push that one through. Twist and out. Yep, see how easy that was? That fish's mouth would have been all tore up if I'd had freaking barbs on that lure. That might be a spot. Let's see. Yeah, that's a spot. Got a tooth patch. So number 3 for the day so far, for the morning, on the Mini Klutch Sexy Shad. Let's let this sucker go. All right, little buddy. Thanks for playing. He gone. Ooh, so there's pulling now. Got it on a weightless Texas rig drag and drop. Nice. Well, got number 4 this morning. On a just changed over to a weightless Texas rig drag and drop, 4-inch drag and drop in the morning dawn color. Anyway, let's get him back in the water. All right, little buddy, thank you for playing. Uh-oh, he hung up on my glove. He gone. All right.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Okay.
What's up, cutie?
You see him.
You're too cute. There we go. Number 5. The drag and drop. All right, we got number 5 here on the Texas Rig weightless drag and drop, morning dawn color. Let's get him back in the water. All right, little buddy, thank you for playing. Let's get you back in the water here. Don't get hung up on my glove. Uh-oh, that wasn't a very good release. But you got it, he gone. Well, guys, had a good day fishing. Ended up with 5 bass total. And 3 on the Mini Klutch and 2 on the morning dawn drag and drop. And so anyway Bobby, he's making me laugh over here mouthing, but had a good time, and appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.